Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, good morning, viewer. KGR. We're back again. First, I just want to thank God for a beautiful day like this. It's a little cold, but thank God I'm alive. You know, I know you will also. Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. If you are a return customer, you're quite welcome as well. I appreciate you for supporting me, subscribing. For everyone that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say a big thanks to you all. It's because of you I keep doing this. I just want to say thank you. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please support your boy. I'm giving away the HBO special today. What is the HBO special? Help a brother out. That's all I'm asking. In any way, I'll be working on this 2009. It's a Cadillac CTS. It's a 3.6 liter. There's a couple of codes that came up. The car is misfiring, so the owner just said, you know what, let me just do a complete tune-up. So I would advise you, anytime you're doing a tune-up, instead of you just changing, most people change one ignition coil. If the ignition coil is bad, they leave the other one. Before you know it, the other one will be bad as well. So it's better you just change the 06. That's what we're going to be doing. So we'll be using this T series. That's a part number right there. Hope you can see it. Then we're going to be using AC decal. That's a part number as well, also right there. So we're going to be replacing everything. But I will say that, so shall we? Let's go on. We're getting it right now, KG. So first thing first, just going to yank out this plastic. And this plastic, but we're going to take out that guy. That is out of this is the two plastic there. We're going to keep this side. Keep this one inside there. So we're going to get to this 18. These are 18 right here. And get to this bar right here. Magnet trim so that we don't lose any of the bolts. Make sure you have everything and we're ready to put it back on there. So this one is off. Now this one it will come with a washer. Make sure I get that washer there. Yep. Come with the washer. So the washers are for the nuts, but they both come with a washer. So now we're going to come here, take out this guy here, so we can yank out this corner. And go, so put this right back, so that there will not be no dust that goes into the engine. So right there, I believe we can be able to walk our way around. And take out that little stuff right here. We'll have a little pin there. This is good to have handy. But the last thing you want to do is you're looking for stuff. You know, but when you're busy, sometimes you knock out stuff without even knowing it. So it didn't happen to me. So I always tell you, shit is supposed to. Watch out with it. Stuff you can find. Stuff drop inside of it. Take that out. Take out this one. So we put this guy aside there. So we're gonna be walking down here. So you can see, you can be able to see this part here. And I have to just move one TV down. This side as well. See that? And there's something right here. Position the camera on this side. Position on this side. Right there. So nice. So we're going to take out this antenna right there. Pull up this way back. This one is just like, see, that's a lock. Push it back like this, and you can be able to take that. As you can see, if you look closely, right, you see they have already changed this. If you look closely, right, you can see. Look at that. You can see this coil was changed before. It was just one. They didn't change this, so that's why I always advocate just do the whole thing, you know. And one other thing I might say too, when you're buying the ignition coil, try to stay away from these ignition coil they call, I think, sprinkle or something like that. Those coils, they're garbage. So use that. You know, any other one that you can. I recommend Denso as well. But sometimes the Denso, they're kind of expensive. You know, so there we go. So now we're going to take off this tank here. Look how that's trying to bring it around. Let me get my tank. KG, be right back. So I got my tank now. Just going to do right here. Gotta be mindful. Hoses, you know. Surrounding and hang into that. This one arch right there. Like I said, see, this one is still new. They changed one of them. So 5/8 going in like that. There's this board here. Alright, so it's always good when you take off your spark plug, just do a little bit of inspection. They have Bosch here before. This was Bosch. We're going to be using this Cadillac. Always good to inspect it, make sure the mount is not closed. Now we can go ahead. Drop this guy here. The magnets is really good. So you don't want to drop your spark plug in there. Boom. If you have to do that, close the mount of the gap. You thread it with your hand, nice and smooth. You shouldn't have a problem doing that. You can do that. You don't have a top. Good. With your hand, you will know exactly when you drop it. So I'm going to move around and change this one first. The one, this one right here, you can lose this guy. So move it around. Still have to move it. A little bit of a strut. Move that off your way, right here, just like that. So we drop this guy right in here. Try to balance myself. But when you're walking in the car, you know, always try to protect yourself, because all these things are all irons, metal, cast, a little bit of something, boom, your hand just start bleeding. I get that a lot of time, bruises and all that when you're a mechanic. You know, be mindful of those sharp objects. They're always around you. They can mess up your hand. Right. throw in the second spark plug in there now. So this is pretty easy, anybody can do this. But usually there are some cars, right? And the one I did the other day, the Toyota Sienna, you have to take off the intake. You know, those are their hard. American car, they make it easy for you. The only time you take off the intake is when you move the valve cover gasket beside them. You can do your own spark plug. You have the lights. Nice. So we're gonna move this one right now. Move this thing right there. I need some muscle there. Now, go in here. Same thing. So you have your balance. You're just like a linebacker. You know, you have to balance yourself well. When you're playing football, but if you don't balance yourself, you can slip. You fall. So balancing is always very important. Ignition coils one time. Alright. Right here. There's one right here. And a 6-spark plug. Put your hand all the way down. If you have a problem, if there's some little hesitation, just make sure you don't force it. The last thing you want to do, you run the cylinder head. So be patient. Patience is the key. Nobody chasing you anyway, so why rush? Okay, so now we're gonna get the ignition coil. Every one of them one by one. Make sure we examine them. They are the same thing. What we're looking at, the 4-pin. Yep, that's good. Go ahead and drop this guy in. Make it function. Put this code wrong. That side. On here. And the second one. You didn't change it, did you? You didn't change my ignition coil. Spend their money, we have to make sure see? I'm using the gun. That's it right there. You will know right there. That's it. So now push this guy in here like this. Once the thing goes in, and you push the pin, and you're gonna be fine. Push it all the way down. And that's it. Once it locks, it will lock. If it doesn't lock, as well. Or the pin will not go all the way inside. Push that guy in. So now just put this back on right here. Put this guy right here. So the car can't move. Alright. So that's it right there. So it's just the same process on the other side. So I believe somebody will agree with me. What's the point of showing the other side? Or this one that I just did, I believe anybody can do it. So that should do it on this vehicle. The side that I just saw is just the same thing on the other side. Just be mindful, and you can be able to do it. Question, comment, because I have another vehicle waiting for me. I have to do a hot bearing for Nissan Rogue 2012. So, you know, sometimes this thing is time consuming as well. Please support your boy, subscribe. I will see you on my next episode. KG signing up. Shout out to Brooklyn, Queens, Miami, Staten Island, Long Island, California, love. Or I'll see you. Spread love in Brooklyn way by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks. I am gone.